Guwahati, the Tiranga Yatra was led by Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma, State BJP President Dilip Saikia, former GUCNC Eastern Command Lieutenant General Rana Pratap Kalita also took part in the rally. So along with rest of the nation, Guwahati also held a Tiranga rally. As you can see on your screens, the rally is being held by Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma, along with State BJP President Dilip Saikia, and not only this, former GUCNC Eastern Command Lieutenant General Rana Pratap Kalita also took part in the rally along with 100 others. So the rally started from Amrit Udyan in Guwahati to Bhupendra Hazarika Hetro. So New India gives big message of unity, and these are visuals coming in from Guwahati. Viewers, you can see hundreds of people taking part in the rally in Guwahati, and the Tiranga rally is being led by Assam Chief Minister Himanta Biswa Sharma. State BJP President Dilip Saikia also accompanied the Assam Chief Minister. And former GUCNC Eastern Command Lieutenant General Rana Pratap Kalita also took part in the rally. So this is New India, big message of unity. The entire nation is united today to celebrate the success of Operation Sindoor. So hundreds of people there taking part in Guwahati along with the rest of the nation, viewers. So Tiranga rally is being held across the nation to honor the valor of our forces. So chanting Bharat Mata Ki Jai and Vande Mataram. People in large number taking part in the Tiranga rally in Guwahati. So right now, we are showing you visuals from Guwahati. So patriotic fervor can be seen in Guwahati as well. So these are visuals coming in from Guwahati. So the Tiranga rally started from Amrit Udyan in Guwahati to Bhupendra Hazarika Hetro.
Such marches where there is spontaneous participation of the people as also the ex-servicemen community. It signifies the solidarity which all of us as common citizen and the ex-servicemen community express with our armed forces and with our nation in the most difficult time and the critical time through which our nation is passing through. And we are also justifiably very proud of the successful operation which was carried out by the Indian Armed Forces from 7th May to 10th May, which broke the back of not only the Pakistan terrorists, it also forced the Pakistan army to seek a ceasefire with the Indian army.
So indeed a remarkable show of support and unity. So this is our India. People from different parts of the nation coming together to celebrate the success of Operation Sindoor.